We have a Lotus, obviously, off-grid, 15'6".
6, yep.
We purchased it in middle of June last year, so it's a 2018.
We went to the Leisure Fest show and looked around a lot of vans, and as soon as we stepped into the Lotus, it was perfect layout, just what we wanted. It was the only one that we saw when we sort of looked around at the van, and you know, we sort of lay out and just thought, yep, this is what we want, this is great. And since found out more about the Lotus after we decided to buy it, that they are a very good van as well, which is a bonus.
We've been to Kangaroo Island. We took it over on the boat and had 9 days at Kangaroo Island. We go to Summers near Hastings for 3 weeks at the beach, a couple of bush camping weekends. We went up to Lightning Ridge and Glen Innes for a 17-day trip around.
To Dunoon.
Oh yeah, up to Dunoon near Byron Bay. So we've been out for about 5 or 6 trips in the last 8 months.
We had a camper trailer before the van, so once our daughter went to high school, we knew we were going to be doing smaller trips, and you know, you don't have all that time to be setting up and everything, so the fact that you can just pull up and ready to go, loving it.
It's just a very versatile caravan, but there's heaps of storage space, so there's nothing, everything has a spot. Dave was amazing, like everything we asked for in the build, yep, not a problem, very easy to deal with, and great time, like for us to look around the factory when we were looking at them being built. He did not rush us at all, answered all our questions, always very helpful. But you know that they're great caravans, and everyone's really friendly, and the group just brings you together, like you wave to people on the caravan. Like we've been to Belangolo State Forest and we saw a Lotus owner, and you just go up and say hello to them, like you've got something in common.
Yeah.